saying? It's already done or what?
11:15 just about.
I gotta be home at that time. Hey, Freddie. Hello. Hi. How are you? Why don't you sit here? Why don't you all sit here?
Then my head will be in the way.
My head will be like this then. I'll be answering you. Okay, come on. कोशिश करूँगा. Yeah. Who's first?
और जब जोधा अकबर ऑफर
मुझे ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं हुआ. I think Ashutosh called me to the office and he said I think three words. He said love story. He said period and he said Akbar. And I said yes. And
this point of your career, what criteria do you look at when you accept a film?
well, I mostly, I think I would get excited by films or roles. I'm very intrigued by the human behavior. There are so many reasons why we do so many things. Right now I'm using my hands because I'm a little nervous maybe. So just trying to delve into the human psyche and illuminate those facets. The little stimuluses, the motivations, and just why we do the things we do. And what makes us do the things we do. So the whys and the whats, and a film that would really encompass that kind of a journey of the human mind. It would really be fun to bring that to life. It's not important if the film is big or small. That doesn't really matter. Even if I get a role that's a small bit of a part role in a good film, but which has.
Definitely you're playing a younger actor, but you see yourself as, I mean, the kind of portrayal that he had of Akbar.
Well, Prithviraj Kapoor looked very different, and I looked like how I look. He had.
Point when you wish that you were really Akbar, like you were born in that era.
No.
At any point.
Do you look at it
What
as
was
an
Mars
epic
appeal in a
romance?
film like Jodha
Very
Akbar?
happy of
Do
being
you look at
in
it as
this.
an epic romance or like a wider subject of secularism has been touched as well in this film?
You have to see the film. I think yes.
Doing all those stunts by yourself. The way we see it showing at Krish and Doom and
The problem is that when you hear a subject or when you hear a script, it throws up these visions in your head. It throws up these images in your head, and then they just get stuck in your mind, and it's something that you have to achieve. And until you get there, until you fit into that picture that your mind has seen, you're not satisfied. And what's the point of coming back home unsatisfied? You have to satisfy yourself that I was able to achieve the reasons why I want to do this film. And the reasons are those images and the visions that I read Krish and I see Krish in a particular body language, halfway through the sky, and same with Akbar. There's a vision that's just thrown up by the script itself, and then it's a constant battle and a struggle to do justice to that image in your head.
What is the mass appeal in a film like Jodha Akbar? What is the mass appeal in a historical?
The masterpiece.
Yeah, because in a historical, like a Krish or a Zoom 2 obviously has mass appeal, the kind of film it is. So what is the mass appeal about a historical like Jodha Akbar?
Well, the things that excited me and the reasons why I did the film should be the reasons that people would want to see this film. It's breaking notions of, it's somewhere challenging the conditioned mindset of period films being a certain way. It's breaking that. It's making it contemporary. My main concern and my vision, my challenge has been that if the youth will not identify with this Akbar, then it's going to be a failure. And we've all, I think, worked towards that one goal, that it should not be looked upon in retrospect when you come out as not a period film. It's got to be, and it is, the love story, the moments. It's so new. It's so new. You'd want to be there. You'd want to be Jodha. You'd want to be Akbar. Beautiful.
Anybody is favorite?
Music of the film.
Thank you.